sometime this week, you may have received a letter in the mail from the IRS. This particular letter, however, is no cause for panic. It talks about the new child tax credit payment for 2021 and how you may be eligible to start receiving payments starting next month on July 15th. But there's a lot you need to know about what else you can expect. Western Mass News sat down with a tax specialist to get you answers. The child tax credit. It's been around for years, but things have changed for 2021. To recap, the Internal Revenue Service says the tax credit will increase to $3,600 per child under 6. It's $3,000 for each child ages 6 to 17. The payment is only for qualifying incomes, $75,000 a year for individual filers and $150,000 a year for married taxpayers who file jointly. After that, the payment phases out. But with roughly 36 million families set to receive a letter like this from the IRS, we sat down with Liberty Tax Specialist Ray Magaro to find out what it actually tells us.
It basically tips you off that you're potentially eligible.
But with that paragraph at the end, you have to wait for a second letter from the IRS that confirms your eligibility. Here's where things get complicated. This year, half of the total child tax credit payment will be given out automatically in monthly advance payments.
That's the standard. And if you want that to change, then you've got to opt out of the program.
Opting out will allow you to receive the lump sum like in past years when you file your taxes. The IRS says instructions on how to opt out will be made available by the end of June on their website. Magaro says it's also important to log on to that website if your income situation has changed between 2020 and 2021. If not,
you could end up getting some of your refund taken away or your tax liability increased.
Another reason to check the IRS website if you think you may be eligible for the child tax credit but haven't received a letter in the mail. We'll have that website information on westernmassnews.com.